Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to format the alignment of text elements in Google Drawings. If you go to the Format menu, a line will not be highlighted. When you format text, you have to let Google Drawings know what text you want to format. So I have to select it first. And now that I have that selected, if I go to Format, I can deal with alignment and indentation. Right now, that text is aligned left. I can align it center. I can align it right. I can justify it, which basically just spreads it out evenly from left to right. And then I also have a handful of other options. I can increase the indent if any of it is indented, decrease the indent, or I can force it to the top, the middle, or the bottom. And that is how you can format the alignment in Google Drawings.